Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with something different, a little different today. Package day, of course, as you can see here, but this guy comes in from Hong Kong, and it's kind of a long story. I'll go ahead and tell you about it while I'm opening it up. So, I don't know, maybe a month ago, 6 weeks, on my Instagram account, which is just K1 Locks on Instagram, someone got a hold of me and asked me if I could look at one of their locks. So I said, sure, that sounds good, man. I don't know what that number's for, but that's okay. All right, let's go ahead and see what's in here. So, push comes to shove, and today I received this lock. So, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. Very, very, very curious about this. Alright, I fixed something here real quick. Sorry. There we go, that's a little bit better. Anyway, sorry about that. Oh, nice little letter here. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Looks like just instructions that came with it. Nice. So let's see what we have. Alright. And there she is. Looks like it. OMCONNECT. Nice. Hello. That's cool. Oh, looks like there's a mobile app. So we'll have to download that sucker. I'll just give you a nice little preview of what this sucker looks like. Wow, this thing is weighty, man. Look at that. That is cool. All right, let me get some batteries in this guy, get the app downloaded, and I'll be right back. Howdy folks, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with an OMCONNECT lock that was just sent to me from Hong Kong. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got inside. As you can see after we open it, it does say hello. How nice of them to say that. So, on the back, looks like we have a user guide and a mobile app. Some other information here that we might need a little bit later. I've already downloaded the app, so we'll take a look at that a little bit down the road. Nice packaging here. It looks really nice. Wow. That's really nice looking, man. Alright. This guy is a solid heavy mother. Man, this guy weighs in at 990 grams, which is about 2.29 pounds, or 1 kilogram, roughly. So, yeah, let's go ahead and power the sucker up and get it open. So, it has a there's a rubber door down here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and plug a USB-C into it. Green light lights up. Let's enter our code. It opens. There we are. Now I'm going to go ahead and unplug this now. So when we take the door off and put the batteries in, we won't have any issues with the buttons getting pressed. So
that's just my thing.
All right. And last one. Oh, almost there. Huh. Interesting. There we go. Nice. And as you can see inside too, we have the mounting brackets and whatnot. Inside here, here's some foam for packaging. We got a little tray down in here, so you can put keys or whatever it is that you'd like to put there, or you can hang your keys from this little guy here as well. So on the back, you got 2 holes here. You can mount it to something, and then you can take this pad off, and got a couple more mounting holes there as well. So, all right, let's go ahead and get the batteries in and see where we can go from there. All right. All right, there it is. It's on now. Oh yeah, the craziest thing with this, man. I mean, random guy, OM Ray, gets a hold of me on Instagram, and he says, "Hey, you want a lock?" And I said, "Absolutely. Let's see what we can do." So here we sit right now, trying to get this. That's kind of weird. All right, we're going to go ahead and close her up now. And it automatically locks up when you close it up. So let's punch that code in again. Make sure it works. And there we are. We're set. Wow, that was loud. Okay. So they wanted me to talk a little bit about this lock, and I will. This is a zinc alloy, which is, like I said before, it's very solid and heavy. It is, let's see how long it is or wide it is here. Whoop. 120 millimeters, just like they said. And it is, this is the right way instead of the left way. And it is 45 millimeters wide. Cool. Now that's just based off of my own personal information right now. So I've already mentioned that this guy weighs about 1 kilogram. I did mistakenly say that these holes here in the back were for extra mounting. What they're for actually is for a shackle that you can install that is an upgraded version of this lock that needs to be purchased separately. So, you know, the thing I'm really impressed about this lock is the amount of space that's in here. I mean, you take, for example, any other standard key box, and it's about 1/3, maybe half the size of this. You know, not only do you have this little pocket here, but I mean, all this room here that you can store stuff in it. I think it is an excellent, excellent little thing. So, all right, folks, at this point, I'm going to show you how it locks. So what we're going to do is enter the code. And then if you watch this bar right here, that's what lowers it. And then when the door closes, the door depresses on this, which raises this up. And there it is locked. So, pretty cool little locking system there. Another thing I wanted to show you is that you can hook up to this guy with your phone via Bluetooth. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get there right now. So right now I have the K12 Smart Key Box on there. Go ahead and open that up. It's locked right now. Just go ahead and press this. There you are. The other thing, I don't know why you would want this, but you can also get a dynamic code. So it gives you random numbers. So you go 53065543. And that will open up for you too. And that code it says expires after 5 minutes. So anyway, just wanted to show you that as well. One thing I did notice is that the information that they send tells you to download a smart app, and then in the instructions it tells you to download an OMCONNECT app. I found that the smart home, smart life actually is what it's called, was the one that seemed to work a little bit better for me. Just FYI. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching. I think that was about all the information that we needed to cover with this. I'm pretty stoked about this lock, man. It looks really cool. It's solid. I mean, you can't get at the hinge here. You might be able to hit that with a hammer. It might do something, but I doubt it. You know, it just looks like really, really solid. Look like whomever engineer got their mind wrapped around something like this did an excellent job. So thank you so much for watching, folks. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.